Are you a beginner looking for a good first IDE or an experienced developer looking to try out something new? If so, watch this video till the end. In this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the most popular IDEs and text editors. So first of all, we have VS Code. It's incredibly popular and it's what I personally use. It has a huge community base and a lot of extensions which help a lot. This IDE is for people who want a lightweight feel. The second software we are going to be talking about is Sublime Text. This is what I recommend to beginners because it doesn't have many features, and that's not necessarily a bad thing because you learn not to rely on these features. For example, if you tried learning Python with VS Code and the Python extension, you would learn to learn Python through VS Code using the extension instead of going to the terminal and running it yourself. The third software I want to talk about is Vim or NeoVim. In the beginning, these softwares have a really steep learning curve, but once you learn how to navigate them, you get a really big productivity boost. But again, learning it takes quite a bit of time, so I don't recommend using it if you're just starting out. But it's really good for more experienced developers. The fourth software is Atom, and I haven't really tried Atom, so I'm going to be speaking just based off of my research. So Atom is an open source software with a lot of users. It also is really customizable with the use of plugins, but because it's quite feature filled, the performance suffers. The fifth software I want to talk about is IntelliJ IDEA. Of course, this software can only be used for Java applications. This IDE is built by JetBrains, and like a lot of other JetBrains products, it's quite feature filled. The code assistant is the main pro of this IDE, and like the other softwares I talked about, this too is customizable through the use of plugins. But this IDE is a commercial IDE, so you will have to pay to access all the features. And it can also be very resource intensive at times. If you gained any kind of value from this video, be sure to consider subscribing because you might like my other videos too. Thank you for watching.